Despite the market's current state of flux, the most bizarre development is that Shiba Inu has just had its largest daily big holder inflow ever. You should not miss this video under any circumstances if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own SHIB tokens. So, what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? The question then becomes, how does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? Along with providing answers to these queries, today's video will also notify you of all the recent information that has boosted the price of Shiba Inu. Because I have invested a lot of time and energy into this movie, I would really appreciate it if you would stick around until the very end. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on January 19th before we get into our issue, shall we? Approximately 2,148 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu, with $726 million changing hands in 24 hours. The price of SHIB has fallen 4%. At the moment, the token is the 17th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of over $12.6 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you see the video. Additionally, please note that this information does not constitute financial advice. The video for today is ready to go. Shiba Inu lost a crucial level of support just now. Details the recent fall of Shiba Inu below a critical support level suggests a shift in market attitude. On the charts, SHIB is approaching the 200-day exponential moving average EMA, which is critical and is already trading below the 100-day EMA. The previous day's decline of 3.7%, which settled at about $0.21, and this decline occur at the same time. Since SHIB has been struggling to maintain its recent upward trend, the price action suggests that there is negative momentum. When it comes to on-chain analytics, large holder moves stand out. An even steeper 8% drop has been recorded for SHIB addresses with more above $10 million, while a 10% drop has been recorded for those with $1 million to $10 million. A number of people are worried about these outflows because of the way they affect market confidence and the stability of prices. These groups' shrinking portfolios indicate that they are cashing out or are losing faith in SHIB's near-term prospects. Meanwhile, smaller investors' behavior has been somewhat uneven. The 20% spike in wallets holding $1 to $10 worth of SHIB reflects the lack of interest from fresh or casual investors. In spite of these modest inflows, the big sell-offs by major players may still be too much. Despite SHIB's community-driven nature, the token's value might rise or fall depending on market mood and government policy. A critical support level at 2,000 units may be even more essential than the major resistance levels at 2,000, 500, and 3,000 units that are looming above. The stock may go further lower, testing 1,750 units, should this level is not maintained. The future of SHIB's momentum recovery depends on two things: the token's capacity to generate broader use cases and renewed interest from bigger holders. All present technical indications indicate to further losses or consolidation until there is considerable buying demand. Regular investors may choose to steer clear of actions they deem overly hazardous in light of the exodus from bigger wallets. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. No strings attached, and you'll be doing your part to keep the channel running. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu token. 32740 billion Shiba Inu are sent to an undisclosed wallet. Take a look at this. On Tuesday, the community was alerted to the large shuffle by a blockchain tracker. The platform's tweet states that Crypto.com sent large quantities of Shiba Inu to a wallet that is not named. In reality, what transpired? The exchange transferred the first 1.5340000000000 SHIB from its hot wallet to an anonymous wallet, as revealed by the whale alert. On Tuesday, Crypto.com moved Shiba Inu valued at $39 million. Still, the whale tracker made a point of mentioning that subsequent transactions were very similar, and that the exchange actually shuffled the precise amount 5 times within the hour. Also, after digging into the facts, we found out that Crypto.com sent the money to the same address 20 times. 32 trillion tokens in total. In addition, the Crypto Basics on-chain research uncovered an internal transfer involving over 32.74 trillion SHIB, valued at $319 million. The receiving address was found to be a Crypto.com deposit address, according on data gathered from Urgunt. The exchange just moved the Shiba Inu that were extra from its hot wallet to the deposit address. Importantly, big trading platforms often do internal transfers like this to improve liquidity and security, which elicits responses from the community. At the same time, many Shiba Inu fans were taken aback by the large transactions. For example, one customer wanted to know what the huge changes meant, while another thought that a hacker may be taking advantage of Crypto.com and transferring the money somewhere else. On the other hand, other people thought it was a whale gathering. Based on the responses, it seems like a whale was purchasing a bunch of Shiba Inu and putting them in a wallet for itself. Still, Shiba Inu's recent 10% correction is directly tied to the transfer and the enormous market downturn. The dog-themed meme currency has continued its downward trend into today, backtracking 1.24% to trade at 2,151 units. The meat of today's video is about to begin. One of the largest daily inflows of Shiba Inu bearers has just occurred. Shiba Inu has taken a hit along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market as it enters a depressing retracement phase that has caused steep price drops. Shiba Inu have a huge net flow of significant holdings. The dog-themed meme currency did really undergo a noteworthy event lately, according to on-chain statistics, even if it is now in a negative trend. Notably, a massive net movement of 33.7 trillion tokens, or $739 million at today's values, was reported by Shiba Inu's major investors on January 7, 2025. This amount signifies the scale of the collection and accounts for around 5.7% of the total Shiba Inu circulating supply, to put things in perspective. Furthermore, the number represents one of the greatest major holder inflow figures ever recorded for Shiba Inu. Just so you know, on average, 600 billion SHIB has been flowing into the system every day from significant holdings over the last few months. Although there were a few increases in 2024, the value seldom went beyond 30 trillion SHIB. The most recent rise was on March 2, 2021. 2024, when the price surge reached a peak and inflows reached 24.79 trillion tokens. It was in July of 2021, about 4 years ago, when SHIB saw a daily large holder influx of 30 trillion. When the Shiba Inu market first started, it was a good time to be a large holder, since the price of tokens was cheaper and the market was still maturing. So, here is what happened. Curiously, market players are speculating about a whale accumulation trend in response to the current 33.59 trillion influx amount. This may not be the case, however, according to prior Crypto Basic stories. Notably, the Crypto Basic verified that 33.59 trillion was aided by an internal rebalancing of funds at prominent cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com. It was the recent surge in significant holders inflow that was set off by Crypto.com's 32 trillion Shiba Inu coins moving to an anonymous wallet via 20 separate transactions. Possibly because of the specifics of the Crypto.com transactions, however, market data shows that the latest influx did not impact the price of Shiba Inu. As of this morning's session, 2,147 units of SHIB were traded, a decrease of 3.75% from yesterday. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu creators and the real world worth of SHIB, several of our subscribers have said that they will not be selling SHIB for the next 5 years. They hold millions of them. What number do you have in your hands? Please disclose all of your SHIB holdings in the space provided below. The SHIB holder deserves kudos for having faith in the procedure. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments if you're enjoying it. In addition, if you would want to get alerts whenever we upload a new video, you should enable post notifications.